In this video, I'm going to review Inbox Dollars in 2020 for you. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and I'm going to compare it with SWAGBUCKS, which is a very similar get paid to website with very similar features, so you could see how these two compare and you could best decide which website to use. So if you have any questions anywhere in the video, don't be afraid to comment below. I'll answer them, and with all that said, let's get into the video. And first things first, we're going to talk about the money. When you sign up with Inbox Dollars, they give you a $5 sign up bonus. And while that may seem really good, there's one big problem with that. The withdrawal minimum on this site is $30. Meanwhile, on a similar website like SWAGBUCKS, the sign up bonus will give you $3. However, you could withdraw those $3 immediately for Amazon gift cards. So to start off, if you're thinking about using Inbox Dollars for surveys like this on the homepage or for surveys like this on the survey tab, think again, because there are a lot of better survey taking websites than Inbox Dollars or SWAGBUCKS. Unless you're the right demographic, a very specific demographic that they might be looking for, a lot of times you'll answer a lot of demographic questions at the beginning of the survey and you won't qualify anyways. So I definitely do not recommend Inbox Dollars for taking surveys. Now moving on to the offers tab of Inbox Dollars. They have a lot of the same offers that you would find on SWAGBUCKS. Here's an Uber Eats. If you do one delivery, they'll give you a $20 bonus. You could save $5 off of your Disney Plus. So it's just stuff like this where companies want you to try out their product and they're giving you incentive to do so. Now you may think, this is not so bad with Inbox Dollars. You're saving $5 to try out Disney Plus. That's pretty good. But compared to SWAGBUCKS, SWAGBUCKS has most of these offers, if not all of them, at a better rate. For example, I searched up the Disney offer and it pays you $8 instead of $5 for signing up for Disney Plus. When I searched up the stash offer on Inbox Dollars, you're earning $15. On SWAGBUCKS, they have a $20 offer. If you sign up with Arcadia Power, you'll get $10 on Inbox Dollars, and on SWAGBUCKS, you will get $10 as well. So some of the offers are the same, but from what I've seen, most of the offers are better on SWAGBUCKS, pay better on SWAGBUCKS. Only a few offers pay better on Inbox Dollars. Now we move on to the coupons tab of Inbox Dollars, and Inbox Dollars will pay you 25 cents per day just to print coupons. I've done this offer on SWAGBUCKS many times, and you don't even have to print the coupons, it's just printing them. As long as they register as printed after you cancel, it counts. So I do highly recommend doing this. However, SWAGBUCKS has the same exact coupon offer, except theirs will pay you 50 cents a day. So you see where I'm getting at. There's a lot of similar features and SWAGBUCKS just does it a lot better. Now we're moving on to the TV tab. Both of these are virtually the same on both SWAGBUCKS and Inbox Dollars. So if you watch a video on Inbox Dollars, actually this little bar will move up and you will unlock a scratch ticket, and from the scratch ticket you're able to see how much cents you win. So as you can see, you scratch it here, you usually win 1 cent here, but the grand prize is $10 for this one. On SWAGBUCKS, it just straight up pays you 2 cents or 1 cent for every 3 videos you watch, but it's essentially the same thing on both sites. Now I'm moving on to the games tab of Inbox Dollars, and I have to give it to Inbox Dollars. Compared to SWAGBUCKS, their games are actually fun, and they have a scoreboard. And how these games work, you won't actually earn anything right away. Like the TV offer, it'll just move up your scratch and win ticket, so you could try to scratch and win a few cents. The games on SWAGBUCKS are some really crappy flash games, so I guess Inbox Dollars wins this one, but I wouldn't recommend playing games for money anyways. The Easy Cash tab is just more offers. The Search tab again will move up that scratch and win thing. The Video tab is the same as the TV tab. They also have cashback for shopping, but SWAGBUCKS does that better with their Chrome extension. One thing that is exclusively unique to Inbox Dollars is their paid email feature, which you could locate in the top right. And once you're here on the left side, you could have some emails. And you scroll down here, you confirm the email. It loads you to another site. You could just go back and this progress bar will go up. So I'll show you what I win from the scratch thing. And I've won 1 cent. Wow. What a surprise. A big problem with Inbox Dollars is their minimum withdrawal is $30, because getting to $30 is not the easiest thing to do, and there's not a lot of things to do to get to that $30. Meanwhile, on Swagbucks, the coupon offer is better. The regular offers are, in the most part, better than Inbox Dollars, and the payment methods are a lot better. And therefore, if you were considering Inbox Dollars, I would just forget about that and go with Swagbucks, because they're both very similar sites and overall Swagbucks is better. So that's my final takeaway. Swagbucks wins against Inbox Dollars. If you like the video, like it. If you dislike the video, dislike it. I have new content coming up that will help you earn money online, so consider subscribing. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching.